Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to get the mini avatar, also known as the mini plushie, in Roblox. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome Roblox tips. Let's get into it. Start by heading over to the left-hand sidebar on your Roblox homepage. Click on Avatar. This is where you'll manage your character and outfits. At the top of the avatar page, click Marketplace. On the right-hand side, tap the search bar and type in Mini Plushie. You'll now see a bunch of different mini avatar styles available. Browse through the results and pick the one you like best. Once you've found it, scroll down and press the Buy button to purchase the mini avatar. After purchase, click on the Avatar tab again. Now select Customize, then go to Characters. You'll see your newly purchased mini plushie character. Here tap Wear or Equip. To make your mini avatar even more awesome, head into the clothing section. Add hats, accessories, or anything else to match your new mini look. And that's it. You now have a super cute mini plushie avatar in Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and drop a comment with your favorite Roblox avatar style. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new look.